Alright, so today is the day I'm gonna try installing these seat cover. Hopefully they're gonna turn out as I expected. So these are the two headrests. They all identical. You can install any one of them. There's no left or right, and it seems to fit perfectly. There's no, I mean, they really did a good job on this. There's no extra, nothing. I mean, it fit just like the OEM headrest. And these are the lower part of the seat cover. There are like buckles on the sides and from the bottom to the top, and the circular thing that you're seeing, I honestly have no idea what it's for. What I'm guessing is it's used like as an anchor to keep the cover tight and not skid around when you sit on it. Keep in mind that there's no instruction on how to install this thing, so I'm guessing as I go, but from judging from what's available, I think the idea is kind of simple. To put the cover on top and then try to use the tie back to keep the cover from moving. So what I'm gonna try to do is to try to find some opening that I can insert that the buckle for the tie back, so that I can tie them in the back and buckle it up or something. So the trick is to find some opening on the side of the seat